All right, I've had some questions on 9 through 11, so I kind of want to just talk about them. 9 and 10, I don't think I would stress out that much about them if you found these difficult. Um, there's going to be more than one answer that would work for this. You want to find two functions, f and g, such that h of x equals a composite function of f and g. And then they wanted to make it a little bit harder, so they said none of the functions can be f of x equals x. Well, so h of x has to be f of g of x. So that means I need to find some function. If I plug the g function in to the f function, this is my outcome. What I did was I just kind of looked where that variable was, and that was at 2x. So I made that my g function. And then I had the square root of x minus 6 minus 1. And again, there's going to be variations. So if I had taken out whoops, that's not what I meant to do. There. If I had taken out my x and put in my g of x, that's what I would end up with. Same thing here. I looked where my variable was, which was 3x, and then I know that's what I'm going to be plugging in because that's g of x. And then if I had just 1 over x plus 3, took out the x, put in 3x, that's what I would end up with. Again, I think these ones are a little bit confusing. It might take your brain a little bit to wrap around it, and there's going to be more than one correct answer here. So if you came up with something different, chances are you're probably good. So on number 11, we got our word problem. A group of 3 restaurant patrons order the same meal and drink and leave an 18% tip. Determine the functions. Well, right here is how much it cost for 3 meals, 3x. The tip is 18%, so it's you pay 100% of the meal plus 18%, so that is going to be 1.18. And then the composite function of that is if you plug one into the other, 3 times 1.18 gives you 3.54. And that is your final answer. Okay?